What if AI isn't here to replace us, but to work alongside us and help us do our jobs more effectively? As AI becomes woven into how we work, learn, and make decisions, thinking of it as a teammate instead of a rival could be the unlock that lets us get the most out of it. That's the heart of parallel intelligence. It's a model where humans and AI move together, expand each other's capabilities, and unlock levels of performance you couldn't reach alone. Today, we're breaking down exactly what that means and why it matters now more than ever. To understand parallel intelligence, we first need to zoom out. Parallel intelligence comes from the ACP Paradigm, Artificial Systems, Computational Experiments, Parallel Execution, formalized in the early 2000s. Researchers began formalizing it around that time as part of studies on cyber-physical social systems, framing it as a way for AI systems and human social systems to operate in parallel rather than in isolation. The era of AI and humans working together didn't really take off until 2016. After a computer defeated a world-renowned player at a game of Go, stunning those in the industry, the way many experts looked at technology changed. Instead of building machines to replace us, it's about building systems that run alongside us, boosting what humans can do. Think of it as teamwork on steroids. You bring intuition, creativity, and real-world context, while AI brings speed, scale, and the ability to spot patterns that we might miss. The magic happens through the ACP framework, which lets humans and AI interact in real time, learn from each other, and tackle problems neither could solve alone. Parallel intelligence allows AI to help us reach new levels of potential, and this perspective changes everything. When you see AI as parallel instead of artificial, it stops being an either-or proposition. Instead, it becomes a both-and relationship. You're not asking, what tasks will AI take away? You start asking, what can I now do at a level that I couldn't do before? That shift moves AI from being a threat to being a multiplier. It reframes AI as a partner that handles the repetitive, the statistical, and large scale, so humans can focus on the nuanced, the emotional, and the strategic. It turns collaboration into the default rather than the exception. So why should any of this matter? Because parallel intelligence promises a world where human potential expands rather than shrinks. For knowledge workers, it means faster insights and smarter decisions without drowning in data. For creatives, it means exploring more ideas, experimenting more freely, and iterating more quickly. For leaders, it means clearer visibility into systems, deeper forecasting ability, and stronger organizational alignment. And at a societal level, parallel intelligence could help ensure that AI development stays grounded in human needs, focusing on supporting well-being, augmenting human strengths, and reducing the risk of runaway automation that leaves people behind. Of course, collaboration doesn't happen by accident. It requires a new skill set, one that blends human expertise with AI fluency. The first is critical thinking. Being able to question AI-generated outputs, evaluate alternatives, and make informed calls is essential. Next is prompt literacy. This isn't just knowing how to write a prompt, it's knowing how to communicate intentions clearly, iterate based on output, and shape AI reasoning. Then there's systems awareness. Understanding how AI fits into workflows, what data it relies on, and where its blind spots are lets you manage it more intelligently. And finally, adaptability. As models evolve, the way we use them also shifts. Staying flexible keeps you aligned with what the technology can actually do, not just what it used to do. Together, these skills help humans stay in the driver's seat, even as AI becomes more capable. And that leads directly into one of the biggest challenges: trust. For parallel intelligence to work, humans need confidence that the system is reliable, understandable, and aligned with their goals. Trust starts with transparency. Understanding what an AI model is doing and why goes a long way toward making its decisions feel less mysterious. And consistency also matters. When an AI is dependable, predictable, and stable across tasks, humans feel more comfortable relying on it. Another piece is feedback. The more the system learns from human input, the more humans see their feedback reflected in the results, the stronger the collaborative loop becomes. Trust is built through interaction, clarity, and shared success. Now, none of this works unless we get the ethics right. Parallel intelligence puts humans at the center, but that also means that humans bear responsibility for how AI is used. We need guardrails that ensure AI enhances human agency rather than undermining it. We also need standards for transparency, fairness, and accountability, and policies that protect people's data, rights, and autonomy as AI becomes more deeply embedded in daily life. Ethics is the foundation that makes parallel intelligence meaningful rather than risky. So, as AI becomes more integrated into the world around us, the big opportunity is in building systems that think alongside humans. Parallel intelligence gives us a framework where humans stay central, creativity is amplified, and technology becomes a force multiplier. At the end of the day, parallel intelligence is a compass. It points us toward a future where AI enhances human strengths instead of overshadowing them. So if you're ready to start experimenting with AI as a teammate instead of a threat, consider building the skills and foundational knowledge you need to work with it on Coursera. We've got a few resources linked in the description, or you can head directly to Coursera.com to get started.